talking about this post-transatlantic slave trade culture that we all are living in and living by today. Right. We spoke about the music. Right. We spoke about what's happening in the school systems and systemically what's happening economically to our people. Right. The culture that we created is what's destroying us. That's right. We must come back to what God said. We bump our heads every time, and we're going to be right back here, marching, mourning, asking for peace. Bring it out. Watch this. 1 Kings 8:47. Yes, the Israelites don't read the Bible. That's right. It's out of our hands. It's beyond our power. God got to intervene. You got that? 1 Kings 8:47. Watch this.
The book of 1 Kings chapter 8 and verse 47. Yet if they shall bethink themselves.
The Lord said, if they shall bethink